everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. So yeah, I'm hoping today we can just ignore this. I thought it would be a good idea just to let my hair like air dry naturally today, and I ended up looking like a poorly groomed cocker spaniel. So if you wouldn't care to, just go ahead and ignore this frizzy nest going on my shoulder over here. That would be absolutely fantastic. But anyway, today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and the box I have for you guys today is right here. It is the Ricky's Cult Crushes for the month of June. Sometimes I get confused about what month it is when I actually unbox things on time, but I am pretty excited to go ahead and get on into this box. Ricky's Cult Crushes is a $14 a month subscription. It was $11, but it has very recently, I do believe this month, raised to $14. This box right here is supposed to include like makeup items and beauty items and hair care items. We can see that I tend to not use many of those. This box also has free shipping, and you get 25% off your online Ricky's NYC orders when you subscribe to the Cult Crushes box. So I'm gonna go ahead and precisely cut into here and see what we got for this month. I just painted my nails and I'm trying so desperately to not destroy them within the first 30 seconds of me doing anything. Alrighty, so everything is now in front of me. It has a little card here that'll tell you all about the products inside of the box. I'll go ahead and set that to the side. Right on the top, I'm seeing a little stack of something. Alrighty guys, the first things in the box are 3 different face masks for your face. The first one I have here is from the Divine collection. This is a foil tissue patches for extra firmness under your under eyes. What's interesting about this is that it's the same type of like under eye boomerangs that have been really popular recently, but it's actually made out of foil and not like that like jiggly jello-y stuff that goes under your eyes, and it's gold, so that's pretty interesting. Definitely looking forward to trying these out. Next, we have 2 little face masks here from Avatara. That sounds like a spell like straight from Harry Potter or something. Avatara! The first mask here is an even out face mask for uneven skin, and the next one here is a shape up face mask for delicate skin. So those are pretty nice. I'm glad that there were 3 masks included instead of just 1. That makes it a little bit more valuable. Let's go ahead and get the next thing in here, which looks like it's also for your face. Alrighty, next up in here we have a Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser, and I've heard some pretty good things about Murad. I think there's several different YouTubers that talk about this brand, but I don't think I personally have ever tried a cleanser from them. But even though I am now 26 years old, I still get breakouts very often. Unfortunately often. I get them a lot right here for some reason, in this exact area on both sides of my face and then around my chin. That's typically where they happen. Right now I have this super lovely one just right here in the middle of my forehead. So that's fantastic. So maybe this will help out a little bit with the acne problems I have going on. For some reason, when I was a teenager, I barely broke out, like ever. But now as a full-fledged adult, it's just like a party for pimples on my face. I love how I said full-fledged adult like I'm actually a real-life adult. Okie dokie. Next up in here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this little bottle out. Alrighty, next in here, it looks like we have a sample size of the Brock Beauty Hairfinity Advanced Hair Care Healthy Hair Vitamins. It's like they know. It's like they know that this is happening right now. Now, I'm not a huge fan of getting like hair care items in boxes because I have pretty unruly, hard to manage hair because it is very, very thin, very, very frizzy, and it's really hard to find products that work well with it. But something I do like to take pretty regularly, even though I have forgotten recently to be taking my vitamins on a regular basis, is hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I'm sure you guys have heard me complain about my hair for a long time now, but I do have very, very thinning hair. I actually went to the dermatologist a few years ago and it was getting so bad that they thought I had lupus. Thankfully, I do not. It's just something's wrong with my head. I'm not sure what. So I do try to take like hair, skin, and nail vitamins when I remember to do so to try to prevent some of the hair, I almost said leakage, not hair leakage, hair falling out. So I would like to give these a try. I do wish this was kind of a full size though. I feel like you probably need like at least 30 days to see how well vitamins are going to react like with your body. But it would be interesting to give these a try. The ones I currently take are, I don't know, they come from Meyer and they work okay, but maybe those will work a little bit better. Moving on, the next thing I have in my
all around me are familiar faces, worn
card. Of course it's the glass thing. Why would I not drop anything else in this box besides the thing made of glass? Okay, that took me like a full 5 minutes to find. Not to give myself away or anything, but there's a touch of a mess happening around me on the floor below, and it's got kind of like absorbed up into it, but now I found it, and this is from Gulsha. This is an Ultimate Rose Water Toner for pure, radiant skin. This is also paraben-free, alcohol-free, glycol-free, gluten-free, colorant-free, and perfume-free. And it is a 100% natural product, so that is pretty nice. As you guys know, I'm not a huge fan of the smell of rose. Never have been. Don't know why. Okay, just by smelling it, it definitely is rose scented. It's a rose water, that makes sense. But it smells more like actual roses, I guess because it's 100% natural and there's not like fake rose scent in it. Still definitely not my favorite scent ever. But if it's just a facial toner and not like a perfume or something, it might be okay as long as it doesn't like permeate your skin and stay there for a long time. It does say this is for all skin types, so that is nice. I have to admit, I never really use toner and I'm not 100% sure what it actually does, but I know it's probably a very important step in skincare routines. I will definitely give this a go and see if it helps like clarify my skin at all. I'm smelling it on the back of my hand now, and there is definitely like a lingering scent of rose, but it's not too crazy overpowering. Alrighty guys, there is one little thing left in here, and it is from Suava Beauty. This is a pressed shadow, and I got mine in the shade The Six, but spelled with a 6. Very clever. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be in reference to, but I personally think of The Sixth Sense because it's a spooky movie and I really like it. Alrighty guys, so here is the pan of shadow, and I do believe this is a full-size pan of shadow, which is really nice. I also really like this color. It's a nice like bronzy gold. Very, very pretty. Okay, wow you guys, here it is swatched on the back of the hand. I'll show you guys a live swatch right here. It is super duper pretty, super duper pigmented. It catches the light amazingly. This is a very like creamy, buttery shadow. I like it quite a bit. These are some of my favorite types of shadows, something that really like reflects the light and is super duper creamy and pigmented. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. It's the only makeup item in the box, which isn't exactly my favorite. If you guys know me, you know I prefer like a more makeup-centric, makeup-heavy box, but this is a very pretty shadow, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on the eyelid and see how it looks. Alrighty, I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see the application. I do have to take off my glasses, which means I will be basically blind. So if you go out of focus, I'm super sorry. I literally have to be like this close to the mirror to be able to see anything. Alrighty, so I'm gonna try this 2 different ways. I have a little brush here. I'm gonna pack it on with it, and then I'm gonna try it with my finger as well. Because typically, most always, I'm fairly lazy and I like to apply things with my fingers. I think it just makes it a little bit easier. Now, mind you, I am applying this over top of other eyeshadow with eyeliner already on, so this might not go too great. Alrighty, there it is with the brush. I'm gonna wet this a little bit and give it another go and see if that makes it a bit more sparkly. Alrighty, here it is, just a little bit damp. I definitely think that helps out the pigmentation and the sparkliness of it as well. Is this even in frame? I don't know. I can't see. Alrighty, now on this side, I'm gonna try it with my finger, which is typically my preferred method of putting on things. Alright, no, I think the finger has failed me. I'm gonna go back to the, oh gosh, I dropped it into the abyss. Alrighty, let's give that another go. Why is this eye just like rejecting shadow? There we go. Alrighty guys, so the eyeshadow, I definitely think it's really pretty. I would recommend trying to apply it with a little like pack-in brush that's maybe a little bit damp, and maybe put it on before you've already done your eyeliner. I think that might make it go a little bit more smoothly. Alrighty guys, that was everything that came in my Ricky's Cult Crushes box for the month of June. I definitely think there are a few interesting items in here, some stuff I'm pretty excited to try out, but it was just like a little bit skincare heavy for me. There was only one makeup item in the box, and typically just for me, because I prefer like makeup over skincare and hair care, I like to see at least like 2 or 3 makeup items per subscription box. I do really like the eyeshadow here. I do like that it is a full size, and I am interested in giving these hair care vitamins a go because I honestly think pretty much anything will help this. The little card that comes with the box does not give full-size pricing, but I will try to track down the full-size prices of all of these items and put them on the screen for you guys so you know the value of the box. As far as what I like perceive the value of this box being, I definitely think it is well over the $14, but I'm definitely interested in seeing what will be in next month's Ricky's Cult Crushes. Hopefully that one will be just a little bit more makeup heavy, but let me know what you guys thought of this month's box. I would love to know know all of your thoughts and opinions, you can leave those down below in the comments. And that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!